It's pretty impressive. I'm quite high at the moment, so yeah, I've set it high. So when I stand still, it will record me. I can just stand here and chat quite closely. And it'll just come in and move and talk to me. And I can control it, so if I want to look at me from a different angle, I can do that. I can make it higher, or I can make it lower. And it's pretty impressive. And yeah, so, but how it follows you when you're walking, I think the key is to just walk slowly when you're talking. And it will kind of gauge itself. When you try and do it too quickly, I think that's where it ends behind you. It's okay as long as I walk and talk. I think the problem is walking, and it needs a chance to move itself and think about where it's going. I think when I try and do it all too quickly, it needs just a little moment to hesitate. So certainly for walking into camera like this, there's a leaf there. I just felt the leaf and it slowed itself down a little bit. When you go quickly, running, cycling, sport, I guess, it's definitely going to want to go behind you. But from the front like this, at this speed, I think it's pretty good, you know. I mean, I'm looking straight into the camera now. I've got my microphone on my chest, and that's where my audio is coming from. The drone itself is creating a big buzz, which nobody wants to hear. But if you just want, it's funny. I bet if there's a big branch there. But if you just want to walk along, there's a tree behind, so you can kind of walking along. You can see things getting in your way. And here I am at the Tweed now. Let's see how it deals with a drop. So it's following me. It's definitely following me as I go. There's a bit of a drop here. So it's going to recognise the drop. Has it found me or has it lost me? No, here I am. On the beach in the Tweed. This is where I live. It's moving around. And here I am at the Tweed, on the beautiful River Tweed at Peebles, with my amazing DJI Neo 2. Incredible, I can control where it's looking at me from with this. And if I want to bring it around to see a full 360 view of where I am, we can do that as well. And if I want to go a little bit higher, I can show you the view from a slightly different angle. Quite amazing. Anyway, that's my drone. Let's go home.
Returning to